Tengo noticias buenas y noticias malas. Which one do you want to hear first? Hi everyone, the Spanish word of the day is noticia. Noticia. This is a Spanish noun and it means news. Noticia is a feminine noun, so you can say la noticia or una noticia. And there is a plural form, noticias, las noticias or unas noticias. Now let's see a few examples using this word. Mi jefe me dio buenas noticias. Mi jefe me dio buenas noticias. Tengo noticias buenas y noticias malas. Tengo noticias buenas y noticias malas. Which one do you want to hear first? Qué mala noticia. Qué mala noticia. Me gusta escuchar las noticias cada mañana. Me gusta escuchar las noticias cada mañana. La noticia me sorprendió. La noticia me sorprendió. Okay, that was the word of the day. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. Support this channel by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Also, leave more examples down below using noticias. Okay, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!